ukayise unyamelela after toiling all night bangamtholi njengofishi, then it happens ukuthi umunye uyafona ukuthi nakho-ke umuntu sekafuna ukuzibulala lapha ebridgini. So that means that the whole going all night and a police search, they did not find her, but then today sekatholwa sekuyafona ukuthi walalelani-ke nayi ingane la ebridgini sefuna ukwenza isimanga. This comes after when Sakhile said that he does not believe ukuthi kahle kahle uThandiswa uzibulele. He believes ukuthi uSiza has something to do with this, and nami vele nje Caesar is the culprit after thinking it through. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanibonani abusheni molweni minjani hiphukile hingangwina. So namuhla ka ngokuwa hina wa Smoke and Mirrors ikuma ku resolution tshamisekangi kahle, looking at the fact that at the depot kuhamba ama test, and la test lawo those assessment abantu abaphathekanga kahle, and they crying ukuthi lalelani asisazi isilungu, then sekungena bokhari. I don't even know what is happening. On the other hand, uMartha no mama kakayise, they get into a fight. Instead of them to be holding hands and trying to find out ukuthi umntwana ukuphi, no, they decided to be rather much be fighting. On the other hand, uMartha decided that she was going to see uSiza, and then she went there, gave uSiza a very long and a very tense hug, and then she said to him, whatever that you need, please tell me. Ingaba noma yini oyifunayo ngicela ungitshele. Guys, am I the one that is thinking too forward when she says noma yini?